Things to do before booking a carpet cleaning service. Do you want to book a carpet cleaning service in Melbourne to make your carpet free of dirt, dust, and stains? Very well. Hire us at Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne today, as we have the best team of carpet cleaners. But before you hire us, you just need to do a few things to make the carpet steam cleaning service in Melbourne effective, and these include vacuuming the carpet, move the furniture and appliances to a different room, clear the floor by removing toys and other items, spot the stains and damaged areas of the carpet, keep your pets off of the room. So, when you do these, it makes the cleaning process not just effective but also convenient for all of us. Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne is awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at www.bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.